Okay, what's going on everyone? Here is another video from WinX DVD about converting HEIC to JPG. Apple has adopted HEIC as the default photo format for its smaller size compared to the equivalent quality JPEG. Presumably, HEIC files require less storage space than the equivalent JPEG. HEIC just stands for high efficiency image file that can reduce file size. It should be a good thing. However, when I send it directly from my iPhone to PC, it shows blank like this and can't open with the Photos app if I didn't download extra HEIC codec. Luckily, I have Wings Media Trans, iPhone file manager that can transfer iPhone HEIC photos to HEIC or JPG to PC. Now let me show you how to use it. First, you need to download Wings Media Trans from its official website. Install and launch it on your computer. Then, USB connect your iPhone to computer. Tap Trust to continue when there is a pop-up message on your iPhone. Then, click the Photos Transfer button on the main UI of Wings Media Trans to access your iPhone photos. Here, you can see your photos are well organized in different types and by date. You can easily batch select any photo. To convert HEIC to JPG, choose your photo and click Export HEIC to JPG option from the drop-down menu of Export. Now, you can open the HEIC photo on your computer without issues. Not only converting HEIC to JPG, you can also use Wings Media Trans to manage and transfer iPhone photos, music, videos, ebooks, and so on. Thanks for watching.